You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very beautiful, fascinating name. How do you pronounce it though? Let's break it down if you want to learn more. Names of Indian origin. Make sure to stay tuned, we've got many more at the end of the video, meaning the daughter of the forest, or a flower bud, or a young vine. So it's a beautiful meaning for this name, pronounced in India as Vanshika, Vanshika, Vanshika. In English, therefore, the pronunciation is usually as Vanshika, Vanshika. It's easy, Vanshika or Vanshika, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.